Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we shall proceed further. Exercise 8.3, that is sine 90 minus theta. This is equivalent to cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta, this is sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta, this is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, this is tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta, this is cosec theta. And cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Now let's prove how this is possible. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Let us draw a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, AC is the hypotenuse, and this angle A, this is theta, this is theta. When this is 90, this is theta, what is this? What is the measure of this angle C? This is obviously 90 minus theta. It's 90 minus theta. Now, how this is 90 minus theta? In right triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this is by angle sum property. Sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Angle A is theta plus angle B is 90 degree plus angle C, this is equivalent to 180. So angle C is equivalent 180 minus 90 minus theta. So angle C is 90 minus theta. This is what I write here. Angle C is 90 degree minus theta. Now, what is sine theta here? Sine theta, PBP divided by HHB. First is sine, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular here? This is BC divided by AC. So sine theta is BC by AC. Now, what is cos theta? Cos theta is, this is base adjacent to this angle. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is, yes, perpendicular divided by base. What is perpendicular here? It is BC divided by AB. Now, what is sin 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90, when this is angle, this is your perpendicular. When you are considering this angle, this is your perpendicular. AB is your perpendicular. And BC is adjacent to this angle. So this is base. This is base. So this is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So that is AB divided by AC. So sin 90 minus theta is equivalent to AB by AC. What is cos theta? That is also AB by AC. Now see, sin 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC and cos theta is equal to AB by AC. So right hand sides are equal. Therefore, sin 90 minus theta is equivalent to cos theta. This is very simple. Sin 90 minus theta is equivalent. So sin 90 minus theta is equivalent to cos theta. Similarly, what is cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. This is cos 90 minus theta is here. This is base by hypotenuse. What is base then? It is BC. So it is BC by hypotenuse is AC. So cos 90 minus theta is BC by AC. What is BC by AC? It is sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Therefore, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, you can prove all these. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to this tan theta. Similarly, what is cosec theta? Now let us check here. Cosec theta. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sine is BC by AC. What is cosec? It is AC by BC. Now, what is sec 90 minus theta? Sec 90 minus theta. Sec is a reciprocal of cos, but what is base? This is your perpendicular. Cos is base by hypotenuse. So base is here BC. BC by AC. Now the reciprocal is AC by BC. So this is AC divided by BC. That is sec 90 minus theta is equal. Now you see cosec theta is AC by BC. Sec 90 minus theta is also AC by BC. So sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Similarly, you can prove cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and so on. So this is very simple. You will remember it. Sin 90 minus theta is equivalent to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equivalent to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equivalent to tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equivalent to cosec theta. And cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Now questions of the exercise 8.3. Sin of 18 degree divided by cos 72. This is so simple. You will change one of these angles. Suppose let us change this numerator. This you can write this sin is sin 18 degree. You can write this sin 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72 is our 18 degree divided by cos 72. Keep this denominator unchanged. You will change this numerator only. So what is sin 90 minus theta? That is cos theta. So this is cos theta. What is theta? 72 divided by cos 72. This and this will go 1 is the answer. So this is very simple. You will change only one angle. Keep this denominator unchanged. And this is the result. Similarly, second part is tan 26 degree divided by cot 64. In the similar fashion, this you can write as tan of 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 is our this 26 degree divided by, keep this cot 64 unchanged. This is cos 64. Now tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. This is cot 64 degree divided by cot 64 degree. This is equal to 1. It's very simple. Question number 2. Now you will remember one thing, that you will change only one angle. Keep the second angle unchanged and you will get your answer. Question number 2 is tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. You have to prove that this is equivalent to 1. This left hand side is equal to 1. Now let us take this left hand side. This tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree, because sum is equal to 90. And then you will write tan 23 degree, tan 67 degree. Now change one of these angles. Among these two angles you will change one, and from these two you will change one. You can write this tan 90 minus 42 degree for this 48 and keep this unchanged, tan 42 degree into tan of 90 minus 67 degree into tan of 67 degree. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. What is this? This is cot 42 into tan 42 into cot 67 into tan 67. Now tan into cot is 1. Cot into tan is 1. That's equal to 1. Because when you multiply any number which is just reciprocal, that is equivalent to 1. Tan into 1 by tan, that is 1. Cot, this is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Similarly, you will change one angle from part number second. Now, very important questions to follow. question number 3 readers. Question number 3. Tan 2a is equivalent cot of a minus 18 degree. Find the value of, where 2a is in and acute angle, find the value of a. Now you will change one angle. This is tan of 2a into cot a minus. Now change this. This is 90. Sorry. Change this left hand side. So instead of tan of 2a, you can write it as reciprocal. Cot 90 minus theta. What is theta here? This is 2a. So we change this angle. Tan 2a, we write here cot 90 minus 2a. That's again tan 2a is equivalent to cot of a minus 18 degree. Now cot and cot will go. We are left with 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Now bring it a's. 2a minus a is equal to minus 18 degree minus 90 degree. Now this is minus 3a is equal to minus 108. Minus and minus will go. What is a? A is equal to 108 divided by 3. 3 3s are 3 6s are. So a is equal to 36 degree. So this is very important question. You will change one angle. So a is your 36. Similarly, in the similar fashion, you have to attempt question number 4, question number 5, and question number 6. So what is question number 4 here? Now question number 4 is tan of a is equivalent to cot b. You have to prove that a plus b, then prove that a plus b is equivalent to 90 degree. Again, you will do the same thing. You will change one angle. This is cot of 90 minus a, 90 degree minus sign. So instead of tan a, we write it as reciprocal. That is cot 90 minus theta. We know that cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan, instead of tan a, we write here cot 90 minus a is equal to cot of b. Cot and cot will go. 90 minus a is equivalent to b. So 90 is equivalent to a plus b. So this is your answer. Or you can write a plus b is equivalent to 90 degree. This was question number 4. Now question number 5 is, if sec 4a is equivalent cosec a minus 20. Similarly, you can change one of the angles. Let us change here. So instead of cosec 4a, we can write here cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus 4a. What is theta here? It is 4a. Is equivalent to cosec a minus 20. Cosec and cosec will go. We are left with 90 minus 4a is equivalent to a minus 20 degree. Now minus 4a minus a is equal to minus 20 degree minus 90 degree. This is minus 5a is equal to minus 110 degree. Minus and minus will go. A is equal to 110 degree divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. So A is equal to 22 degree. This was question number 5. Now last question is very important of this exercise, and inshallah tomorrow we shall discuss all other angles. But now it's not last question, but there is one more question, question number 7 still. Now let us finish this exercise. Now, A, B, and C, this is important question. A, B, C are the anterior angles of a triangle. It's a triangle. ABC are the angles of this triangle. This angle A, this angle B, this angle C. And you had to prove that sine of B plus C divided by 2 is equal to cos of A divided by 2. Cos of A divided by 2. Now, solution. We know that A plus B, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 by angle sum property. Now see here, we have to prove that B plus C by 2. Now you should leave this B plus C here on the left hand side and transfer this A to right hand side. This is 180 minus A. Now this has been divided by 2. You can divide this both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. This is B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 180 minus A divided by 2. This is B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 2 90s are. So this is 90 minus A by 2. Because this is 2 is divided to 180, also it is divided to minus A. So when you divide 180 by 2, we are left with 90 and this is minus A by 2. Now taking sine to both sides. Taking sine to both sides. This is sine of B plus C divided by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus A by 2. This is sine of B plus C divided by 2. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we write here cos theta. What is theta here? A by 2. So this was to be proved. Now the last question. Question number 7 is express 67 degree sine 67 degrees sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of the angles between 0 and 45 degree. Now we will change both these angles. The angle should come from 0 to 45 degree, in between 0 and 45 degree. 67 is more than 45 degree and 75 is again. So let's change. This is sine 90, this is cos of 90 minus 67 degree. (90 minus 23 degree). When you subtract 23 from 90, we are left with 67 plus sine of, change this also, 90 minus 15 degree. So cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. This is sine 23 degree plus cos 90 minus theta is sine, this sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. This is cos theta. Theta is 15 degree. So this is your answer. With this, we have completed this exercise. Tomorrow, inshallah, we shall proceed further. We shall prove the identities. 8.4, very important exercise. Then heights and distance is the last in trigonometry. Till then, the Hafiz.